Hey guys, for today's lesson we're going to be working in chapter 12 again. And today we're going to work on lesson 8. The focus for today's lesson, we're going to leave the metric system, but we're still going to work on conversions. But for today we're going to look at how to work with units of time. Yay, let's go back to using time. Now, I'm going to go over the basic units of time that you guys need to have memorized or need to know really well. And it's amazing to me how some of us forget these things. So we're going to start with 1 minute. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Now, I'm going to give you the abbreviations for each of these so you know how they work. Okay, 60 seconds, you'll see seconds written like this, or you will just see an S, either one. Okay. Then we need to know that 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Okay. We need to know that 1 day is equal to 24 hours. We need to know that 1 week, and that would be WK, 1 week is equal to 7 days. And days you don't really shorten, you can just write it out as days. Okay, and then we've got 2 more. 1 year, we say YR, 1 year is equal to 12 months, and months would be MO. And finally, 1 year is equal to 52 weeks, and we will put WK, 52 weeks, okay? So days, you can either write out days or you will see it with just a D, either one, okay? So these are your basic units that you need to know for your conversions for this lesson. So starting off, if we've got 2 minutes and I want to know how many seconds that is, I'm going to start by writing my basic fact. I know that in 1 minute there are 60 seconds. So 1 minute equals 60 seconds. And to make my conversion, 1 times 2 is 2. Do the same thing over here. 60 times 2. If I cover up my 0 for just a second, I can do 6 times 2, which is 12, and then add that 0 to the end. So 6 times 2 is 12, plus the 0 on the end would be 120 seconds. Okay? So that's one example of a conversion you could make. Let's say I've got 4 years and I want to convert that to months. Okay, well, based on my chart, I know that 1 year is equal to 12 months. 1 year is equal to 12 months. 1 times 4 is 4. 12 times 4. If you know that basic fact in your head, great. If you don't, do a little multiplication problem off to the side. Oh, you can't see mine. Okay, don't try and do it all in your head. So it would be 48. So I know that 4 years is equal to 48 months. So these are how your conversions are going to work. Let's say, for example, I had 4 hours and I want to know how many minutes that is. Okay, well, 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. 1 times 4 is 4. 6 times 4, remember I can cover up that 0. 6 times 4 is 24, plus the 0, 240 minutes. Okay? You guys are going to have comparisons you need to know how to make today. So remember your comparison options, greater than, less than, equal to. So let's say I'm going to compare 3 years compared to 35 months. Now, kids will look at this like other comparisons and they'll be like, well, 3 and 35, dude, 35 months is totally going to be bigger. But you don't know that because you're looking at 2 different units of measure. You've got years and you've got months. So you need to convert one of them. I like to take the larger unit and convert it to the smaller one. So I'm going to take the 3 years and I'm going to convert it to months. Well, I know 1 year based on my chart up top. 1 year has 12 months. 1 times 3 is 3. 12 times 3 is 36. So I've got 36 months on this side compared to 35 months on this side. Ooh, I now can confirm, safely say that 36 months, 3 years, is greater than 35 months. It's close, but because I went through and showed my work and I confirmed that, oh yeah, 3 years is equal to 36 months, I now know with 100% certainty that 36 months is greater than 35 months. So even if you think, oh yeah, I can work this out in my head, take the time and write out your conversion so that you truly know what you are working with and you're double checking yourself on that. Okay? So this really is the basis of your lesson for today. You're just working with conversions and time. So make sure that you do the practice that your teacher has asked you to do, and then if you have any questions or something is still confusing to you, reach out to your teacher so that we can help you. Have a good day.